Hi, I'm Sophia Bush.
Hi, Ashley Harris.
This is 1 Minute with us in an Uber in Paris.
This is our third time in Paris in like a month and a half. We love everything about it. Architecture, neighborhoods, food, coffee and croissants every day.
You don't love it, but I love
Snails.
escargot.
Was that the same thing?
Yeah.
It's either Cher or Celine Dion.
There you go. All the
Every
time?
single day, every airport, every late night.
Yeah.
I wouldn't survive having 2 babies without Uber Eats.
No. I have some very exciting guests coming up on Work in Progress, which is my podcast. We're into season 7 of One Tree Hill on Drama Queens. And after Paris, I'm off to New York to shoot a film.
I have a new project in the works that's a little
It's a little top secret.
working with Hello Sunshine to bring women in sports stories alive.
Merci pour tout, Aubert, au revoir.
Thanks for joining us. Bye, everyone.